In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline without an internet connection. Yes, you heard that right, sending emails even when you're not connected to the web. This is a fantastic feature for those moments when you find yourself without internet access but need to manage your inbox or compose emails. Let's walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Chrome browser. Now this part is crucial. Gmail offline works best with Chrome, so make sure that's what you're using. In the browser, type in "How to use Gmail offline without internet" in the Google search bar. You'll likely see several results, but look for the official Google support link or any recent reputable guides on the subject. Once you've landed on the correct page, you'll find a comprehensive guide provided by Google. This page will explain the concept, benefits, and limitations of using Gmail offline, giving you a solid understanding of what to expect. Familiarizing yourself with this information can help you make the most effective use of this feature. Next, you'll need to go into your Gmail settings. Open Gmail and click on the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings menu, then select See All Settings. Here, you'll see multiple tabs. Click on the one labeled Offline. This is where the magic happens. In the Offline tab, you'll see the option to enable Gmail offline by checking the box. Before doing so, make sure you review the storage space available on your computer, as emails will be downloaded and stored locally for offline use. Google will generally recommend a certain amount of space to maximize the functionality. Follow this guidance to ensure smooth operation. Once enabled, you'll decide how many days' worth of emails you'd like to sync and store offline. Choose an interval that best matches your needs. Typically, options range from 7 to 30 days. Additionally, you'll have the option to download attachments as part of this process. If space is a concern, consider whether you really need those attachments or if just the emails will suffice. After your settings have been selected, click Save Changes. Gmail will then begin syncing your emails, and after a brief period, you'll be ready to access your emails offline. Remember, any emails sent while offline will be stored in your outbox and delivered as soon as your device reconnects to the internet. And there you have it. You're all set to use Gmail offline. This can be a game changer for anyone who finds themselves often on the go without reliable internet access. Just remember to periodically check and manage your storage settings, especially if you're syncing a lot of data. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.